Introduction to Furniture Restoration. Introduction to the module. We begin this course with the first module, where we will learn about the process of restoring furniture and why it is important and significant. During the module, we will also explore the different supplies needed and how to make the workspace an enjoyable place to work in. Topics covered include what furniture restoration is and why it is important, the furniture restoration process, basic supplies and tools, antique versus modern restorations, setting up your environment, health and safety. Furniture restoration. Furniture restoration is the procedure of conserving old furniture. This is done to make it fit for use again, whilst maintaining the integrity of its old age. Restoring furniture is an excellent way of not only utilizing antique or vintage furniture that is serving no purpose whilst being in a corner, but also spending time exploring crafts and gaining new skills. Through the restoration, the furniture is given a new finish and a refurbished exterior, and any damage to the structure of the furniture is mended. Reasons behind furniture restoration. There are numerous reasons for why the restoration of old furniture should be encouraged. Firstly, restored antique or vintage furniture would be considered very unique in today's time, whether it is in terms of its design or structure. This is because the procedure of making furniture has evolved over the years, and the older craftsmanship would be very valuable today. Moreover, the wood used to make furniture has changed over the years. The wood used in making furniture in previous eras had a narrow grain and a different pattern to that used today. This adds to its distinctiveness. From an ecological point of view, the restoration of furniture seems to be much more favorable than purchasing a new piece of furniture. Thus, to use wood sustainably, old furniture must be made usable again.